What has happened to my father? I feel people have. There are many people. I don't know. I can't. I don't know who have done this, but this is not an issue regarding a woman. Because clicking photographs of a woman in a coffee shop is not at all an offense. But the next day, they make an issue telling that it was not photo clicks, it was videos. The papa has manhandled that girl. She files a complaint against that, telling sexual harassment also. All this is being done day by day. It was not done that day. If anything was there that day, they should have clarified it. They should have that girl, if she really felt that her respect has gone and a man has bashed over her, a man has an ADGP or a common man has manhandled her. She should be very upset. She should ask her parents, ask her family members to come for her. She herself is a journalist, so you could see that she is. She cannot do anything. She has not gone to the police station. She hasn't filed the case that day. She filed the next day. If she cannot get justice there, she would go to the media. Not the media, she can go to the High Court. That day she could have filed a case against my father. No, she didn't do that. She says she's scared to do such things because he's a police officer. What if I get into trouble? But no, see, even if it is a police officer, if it is anybody, even though it's a minister, anybody, she shouldn't do that. I'm sure a woman cannot tolerate such things. When she has been threatened, she won't leave that man. She will go fight for her rights. She will go there. She will either go to the High Court. She'll file a complaint against that case. But she hasn't done anything. She thought, I feel the person who came and he tried to he took out my father's wallet and my father's phone. That person told these girls, it seems, that this person is taking pictures of you. So they're trying to make that girl feel very insecure. They are threatening her, I feel, to believe that my father has taken pictures. I don't think so. She herself has, she cannot believe that a photo clicking of one person in the coffee shop, she didn't notice also. It seems another person notices it and comes out and threatens, tells these people that somebody is taking pictures of you.
What do you have to say about the pictures that have been found on the phone? Will you be able to comment on that?
See, the phone was not there with my father after the incident from 11 o'clock to 7 o'clock. It was not with his hands. After the incident, the person who came from top, he takes my father's phone, and next, as soon as he calls, the person who has done so much, he calls an inspector, sub-inspector, I think. He comes in. He should first investigate, ask the coffee shop members what is happening, cool down. Later, it should be done systematically. But the sub-inspector has failed to do that. He has failed to follow the rules and regulations there. Then people get confused there. They don't know whether to tell the truth or not now, because this has become a full nationwide news. So people are getting scared to talk the truth. They say the witness is disappeared or something. Yeah, so people are getting scared to come out. And the phone was not there with my father from 11 to 7. So within this time, it was with some other person, not a private person, not the government. As soon as my father was put up in jail or put up in the police station bars, they should have kept his phone, his whatever evidences they found, safely.
29/5/2014, 7 p.m. 4 days after the incident took place, the Chief Minister finally decided to step in. He invited the Home Minister and senior police officials, including the Police Commissioner. Sources say that the Chief Minister was angry during the meeting. It was even said that he felt that senior officials were responsible for Dr. Ravindranath's agitation. Siddaramaiah made it clear that police officials had brought embarrassment to the state. Sources say that the Chief Minister even warned the Police Commissioner to be ready for consequences in the coming days.
Commissioner ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ವಿಚಾರ ಯಾವುದು ಚರ್ಚೆಗೆ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ಯಾವುದು ನಾವು ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ. ನೋಡಿ, ನಮಗೆ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಫೋರ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸಿಪ್ಲಿನ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಅವರು ಸಾರ್ವಜನಿಕರಿಗೆ ತೊಂದರೆ ಕೊಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಇರುವುದೇ ಸಾರ್ವಜನಿಕರ ರಕ್ಷಣೆಗೋಸ್ಕರವಾಗಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರವಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲ ಪೊಲೀಸರಲ್ಲಿ ವಿನಂತಿ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಶಿಸ್ತನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ. ನಿಮಗೇನಾದರೂ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗಳಿದ್ದರೆ, ನಿಮಗೇನಾದರೂ ಕುಂದುಕೊರತೆಗಳಿದ್ದರೆ ಅಥವಾ ನಿಮಗಿದ್ದರೆ ನೇರವಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಗೃಹ ಮಂತ್ರಿ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಬರ್ಬೋದು, DGP ಹತ್ರ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. ನಾವು ನಿಮ್ಮೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಮುಕ್ತವಾದ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಿದ್ಧಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಟಿವ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡಲಿ, ನಾವು ಅದರ ವಿಚಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ತಯಾರಾಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
ADGP files a complaint against the commissioner. The coffee shop incident took a drastic turn on Thursday night. Dr. Ravindranath filed a counter complaint against Police Commissioner Raghavendra Auratkar, DCP Ravi Kante Gowda, and High Grounds Police Sub-Inspector Ravi at the Cubbon Park Police Station.
The above-named officers have falsely implicated me in High Grounds Police Station, crime number 166/2014, under sections 354 and 506 IPC. Further, yesterday, when I went to meet the Commissioner of Police to get myself arrested, the Commissioner of Police, Bangalore City, Shri R.H. Auratkar, said that the investigating officer has to arrest you. I told him that investigating officer told me that he requires your permission. Accordingly, I came to you to request you to direct the investigating officer to arrest in the interest of justice so that I can give my statement and clarify the things. But you yourself told me that we will go to DG and IGP. I accompanied you. At the portico of the Commissioner's office, I told you, can I sit in your vehicle? You told me, don't touch me. Further, I told, can I sit in the back of your car? You said to me, it is my car, you cannot sit. Further, you moved away from me, treating me as untouchable, and ran away from the portico and asked your driver to come to the gate of Commissioner's office, where you boarded the car and left to DG office. This shows that you have practiced untouchability on me since I'm a member of a scheduled caste. With the assistance of PSI High Grounds, PS Mr. Ravi MS, and DCP Central Division, Mr. Ravi Kante Gowda, you have fabricated an FIR under crime number 166/2014 under section 354 and 506 of IPC of High Grounds Police Station. This is because on Monday evening, that is dated 26/5/2014 at around 6:30 p.m. in the DG and IGP's chamber, you said to me, complainant in the incident of coffee shop in Cunningham Road came to know that I am a good officer and have not done anything wrong. And further, you told that since I was put in lockup, you wanted me to forget me ill treatment given to me by the PSI High Grounds Police Station. When the lady complainant did not want the case, he has forced her to lodge an FIR against me under section 354 and 506 IPC. Thus, he has implicated me in a false case and committed offence under Prevention of Atrocities Against SCs and STs Act 1989. Therefore, I request you to take legal action against the above mentioned persons immediately, and the FIR is delayed because I got my transfer orders and I was busy with very important matters pertaining to KSRP and my personal issues. The details I will furnish later.
Dr. Ravindranath claims that these officials had filed a false complaint against him to defame his career. He had even specified in his complaint that PSI Ravi had misbehaved with him at the High Grounds Police Station. He even accused the police commissioner of treating him like an untouchable and wanted stern action to be taken against erring officials. 30/5/2014. Chief Minister breaks his silence. 5 days after the incident had stunned the state, Chief Minister Siddaramaiah finally spoke out on the issue. He said that he was unhappy with the incident and had ordered an inquiry.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಯಾರು ಫೇಲ್ಯೂರ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫೇಲ್ಯೂರ್ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಭಾವಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಕಾಫಿ ಶಾಪ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಘಟನೆ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫೋಟೋ ತೆಗೆದ್ರು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳು ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟು ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ಸಿಒಡಿಗೆ ವಹಿಸಿದೀವಿ, ಎಂಕ್ವೈರಿ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿಒಡಿಗೆ ವಹಿಸಿದ್ವಿ. ಎಂಕ್ವೈರೀಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್. ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಕೂಡಲೇ ಈ ಕ್ರಮ ತಗೊಂಡಿದೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಇಲಾಖೆ ಶಿಸ್ತಿನಿಂದ ಇರಬೇಕಾದದ್ದು ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಅವಶ್ಯ. ನಾವು ಅಶಿಸ್ತನ್ನ ಸಹಿಸಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ಕಾರ. ಯಾರೇ ಅಶಿಸ್ತು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ರಮ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ನಾವು ಕೂಡಲೇ ಆ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳು ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ತಕ್ಷಣನೇ ಆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅದು ನಿಷ್ಪಕ್ಷಪಾತವಾಗಿ ತನಿಖೆ ನಡೀಬೇಕು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಸಿಒಡಿಗೆ ವಹಿಸ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅದನ್ನು ಆದಷ್ಟು ಜಾಗ್ರತೆ ತನಿಖೆ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ ಸತ್ಯ ಏನು ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ರಮ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದು ಒಂದು. ಸೊ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ವೈಫಲ್ಯ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಹೋಮ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಅರ್ಥ ಇಲ್ಲ.
But that hadn't stopped Ravindranath's supporters from protesting. There were protests in front of his house and across Bengaluru. Various Dalit organizations had come out in his support and demanded justice. The series of incidents has tarnished the image of the police department. Unfortunately, the conflict is not between officials at the lower rank. Senior officials are involved. And if a police official with the rank of ADGP is being ill-treated, we wonder what will be the state of the common man. A News9 report.